Welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. On today's episode, we are making alcapurrias. Let's go over the ingredients. I am using 6 green bananas, 2 pounds of yautia or malanga, 1 green plantain, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of adobo, 1 packet of sazon, black pepper, olive oil, and 1 pound of cooked ground beef or picadillo. I have a Picadillo recipe. I will make sure that I'll put it in the description down below. So I will go ahead and peel all these vegetables and cut them small, and I'll show you how to make the alcapurrias. Okay, so now we're going to put all our vegetables into a food processor and add our ingredients to season the alcapurrias. I only put half of the vegetables in the food processor just to make sure that I don't have big chunks left at the end. Okay, now I am going to take this out of the food processor and process the rest of the vegetables. Now let's go ahead and add my salt, adobo, 1 packet of sazon, and some black pepper. We'll process the rest of the vegetables and then we'll mix them all together. Okay, so my second batch is done. Let's go ahead and mix it well. At this point, you could taste the vegetables to see if they need salt, but they're fine. No additional salt needed. You will need some wax paper to assemble the alcapurrias. I have my frying pan on medium-high heat. Now we're going to assemble the alcapurrias and fry them. Okay, to assemble the alcapurria, just add some of your alcapurria vegetables, lay them flat onto wax paper. Not too thin though, because you don't want the beef coming out of the sides. Then add some of your ground beef on top. And go ahead and add more of your alcapurria on top. And with the wax paper, you'll close it just to ensure that all the ground beef stays inside. This also gives the alcapurria a shape. You will do this to each alcapurria and then fry them on medium-high heat until golden brown. You want to fry each alcapurria for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side before you get them out of the frying pan. Make sure these alcapurrias are done on one side, so I went ahead and I flipped them to the other side so they cook evenly. Do not flip until they're golden brown on one side first. These alcapurrias are about done. And this is the color that you're looking for. Some people like them a little bit darker. When putting the alcapurria into the frying pan. Be extremely gentle so the alcapurria doesn't fall apart. My alcapurrias are ready, and this is what they look like. They're crispy and tasty and soft inside. They look so yummy. Now, let's see what these alcapurrias taste like. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I am in heaven right now. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.